the efficiency of energy transfer from one topic level to the next is approximately. So this is very important from examination point of view. So ಏನು ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ the efficiency of energy transfer from one topic level ಇಂದ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ಗೆ ಎನರ್ಜಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಮಾಣದಲ್ಲಿ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ 1% ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 10% ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 20% ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಥವಾ 50% ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ the efficiency of energy transfer from one topic level to next topic level ಎಷ್ಟು ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ approximately 10% ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಫರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So option D is the right answer. So next question. Again this is important for examination point of view. The pyramid of energy in an ecosystem is always upright, inverted, spindle shaped, cylindrical antide. So this is very important question. Pyramid energy in ecosystem is always upright irtade. Pyramid of energy in ecosystem pyramid energy always upright irtade, that is ee reeti irtade, always upright. So upright agirtade. So option A is the right answer. So move on next question. Again this is important. In aquatic ecosystem the biomass pyramid is generally upright, inverted, cylindrical, irregular. So in aquatic ecosystem biomass pyramid is inverted agirtade, but in ecosystem ಈ ecosystem energy is always upright ಇದ್ರೆ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ aquatic ದಲ್ಲಿ inverted ಇರ್ತದೆ. So move on next question. Gross primary productivity, that is GPP, gross primary productivity minus respiration loss gives GPP minus respiration loss gives GPP gross primary productivity minus respiration loss equal to, so that is NPP, net primary productivity, secondary productivity, gross ecosystem productivity, assimilation efficiency. So option A is the right answer. GPP minus respiration loss equal to NPP, that is net primary productivity. Option E is the right answer. Move on next question. What is the chemical formula for ozone? So again this is important. Ozone chemical formula ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ so O ಇದೆ, O2, O3, O4 ಇದೆ. So option C O3. It means ಮೂರು ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಮಾಲಿಕ್ಯೂಲ್ ಇಂದ ಓಜೋನ್ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, that is O3. So move on next question. The Dobson unit is a measurement of Dobson unit ಇಂದ ಏನು ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ? The thickness of the ozone layer, the concentration of CFC in the atmosphere, intensity of UV radiation and the acidity of rain. So Dobson unit ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? ಈ ಓಜೋನ್ ಲೇಯರ್ ನ thickness ಮೆಜರ್ ಮಾಡಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. So option A is the right answer. So next question. The international agreement to protect the ozone layer by paging out of CFC is called. So this is very important. So ಇದನ್ನ already ಇದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಕ್ವೆಶ್ಚನ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ರೈಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. The international agreement to protect ozone layer by paging out of CFC is called Paris Agreement, Kyoto Protocol, Montreal Protocol, Geneva Convention ಇದೆ. So option C Montreal Protocol is the right answer.